Hey there, tech enthusiast. Ever wondered if you could ditch your landline and use Ooma with your cell phone? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into that very question. Imagine having crystal clear calls, a plethora of features, and the flexibility to use your phone wherever you go, all without breaking the bank. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's find out. Ooma. A quick recap. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's do a quick recap of what Ooma is. It's a VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that replaces your traditional landline. Think of it as a bridge between your internet connection and your phone. The basics. Can you use Ooma with your cell phone? The short answer is, yes, you can use Ooma with your cell phone. But there's a catch. Ooma is primarily designed for home use. While it's possible to use it with your cell phone, it's not the most convenient or efficient way. Why Ooma isn't ideal for cell phones? App dependency. To use Ooma with your cell phone, you'll need to download and install the Ooma app. While the app is generally user-friendly, it might not offer the same seamless experience as a traditional landline. Data consumption. Using Ooma with your cell phone means you'll be using data. If you're on a limited data plan, this can quickly add up. Call quality. While Ooma generally offers excellent call quality, your experience can vary depending on factors like your internet connection and network coverage. Cost. If you're already paying for a cell phone plan with unlimited minutes, using Ooma might not be the most cost-effective option. So, when does it make sense to use Ooma with your cell phone? Emergency backup. If you're concerned about losing cell service in an emergency, Ooma can serve as a backup. Home office. If you work from home and need a reliable landline for business calls, Ooma can be a good option. International calling. Ooma often offers affordable international calling rates. If you frequently call overseas, it might be worth considering. Alternatives to using Ooma with your cell phone. If you're looking for a more convenient and efficient way to use Ooma, here are a few alternatives. Ooma Telo. The Ooma Telo is a physical device that you can connect to your home internet. It allows you to make and receive calls using a traditional landline phone. Ooma Office. If you need a business phone system, Ooma Office offers a range of features, including call forwarding, voicemail, and call recording. Ooma Mobile. This is a dedicated app designed for businesses that need a mobile phone system. It offers features like call forwarding, voicemail, and call recording. Check your cell phone plan. Before using Ooma with your cell phone, make sure your plan allows for VoIP calls. Some carriers may impose restrictions. Consider a Wi-Fi calling plan. If you frequently use Wi-Fi, a Wi-Fi calling plan can help improve call quality and reduce data usage. Test Ooma before committing. If you're unsure about using Ooma with your cell phone, try it out for a month to see if it meets your needs. While it's possible to use Ooma with your cell phone, it's not always the most ideal solution. Depending on your specific needs, you might be better off using a physical Ooma device or exploring other VoIP options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.